Now we will see along with min-term variables. Suppose if you are having don't cares also. Don't cares are those terms which have to be used whenever it is required. So whenever you use a don't care, the expression is going to be more simplified because he has given those terms are going to be the don't care terms. Now what is the problem given? F of ABCD equal to, what is the actual this one? Variables are 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These variables we are going 2, 3. 0 is also there. 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once we are going to keep. The other terms which are given as don't cares are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which I have given it as a 5. Don't care terms. Now how we are going to solve this particular problem? If there is an oct, we are going to take the don't cares also into consideration. Now just see the first term. When I take this oct, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Simplest answer I am going to get it as C. Why? Because all the rows are there. So A is 0, A is 0, A is 1, A is 1. A won't exist. B is 0, B is 1, it won't exist. Then only these two columns are taken. C is 1, C is 1. So you get C. D is again 1 and 0. D won't exist. Next, what is the next term? We'll take 0, 2, 8, 10. We can also fold the corners 0, 2, 8, 10 to form a quad. Now in this what happened? First row, last row. A is 0, A is 1. A won't exist. B is 0, B is 0. So B complement. Similarly, columns also. Only 0 and 2 are in these two columns. So C is 0, C is 1, C won't exist. D is 0. So D complement. Next. Actually this is only left out because 8 I have used in my second one and I have used 2 and remaining terms into the other things. But what happened? 9 is left out alone. So I cannot use 9 with a quad. I will go with oct because the possibility of getting the simplest answer is available here. So I am going to take the terms 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what I will get here? Only A is 1, A is 1. So only A term I will be getting. Whenever we take an oct, only one single term. The remaining will be B is 0 and 1. C is also changing from 0 to 1 and D is also changing from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Then the last term is 5, 7, 13, 15. So we are left out with 5 actually. 5, 7, 13, 15 is going to be another quad where A is 0, A is 1. So A won't be existing. B is 1, B is 1. So you get B here and only these two columns. C is 0, C is 1. C won't exist. D is 1, D is 1. You will get D. Remember in the whole of the problem this is left out without being used anywhere as you. Okay, even then we are not going to take a separate variable there because 5 doesn't have, don't care doesn't have any value. If it is combined with some other one only, we will get the simplest answer. Otherwise, you have to just leave it. Maybe here you have used it here 12. But suppose in case a don't care is left out empty, don't use a separate, take it as a problem. Only when there is a 1, combine with the don't care. Otherwise, leave the don't cares which are not used in the problem.